Hey guys, it's Ayan. Now I'm standing at the Bangalore longest underwater tunnel, that is Aquarium Paradise, which started 2025 during March. So here today we came. So here you can see Aquarium Paradise. Now we will go inside and check out the prices. Then later I will tell you what are the things there and what are the prices and how big it is. So here I got my ticket, like that you will get the ticket. Per person is 399 and I paid 798. So here you can see this is the ticket counter and here little decoration is there. And one more thing, if you want to come to this place, Fun World is near to it and Jaya Mahal is also near to it. You can take Uber directly and come to Jaya Mahal Road and you will get this location. So let's proceed inside. So first I entered the place. So first let's start with alligator. You can see here we are getting some alligators. So they look like a fish, but they are looking very beautiful. It's the starting point, and backside also something is there. You can see giant. See, these fishes are so beautiful. Straight we have to go. The fish is looking like little butterfly type, so they have made it the name butterfly koi. So this is the third one. See, another they are telling it's alligator, but it's looking like little tiger type. So see, this type very new varieties of fishes are there. So it is looking like little electric blue hub type. See, you can see up name is also there. So many names. So it's a Japanese fish. You will not get this in India. So you can see another fish looking like little star fish, you can see. আরে আমি কথা বলবো না তো করো। So here you can see there are small fishes. So you can see it's written night fish. It's not N-I, it's K-N-I-T-E. Night fish, you can say like that. It's not Indian, it's all Japanese, Chinese, something like that. So it's a zebra something they wrote, you can see up, and this fishes don't stay, they just run. You can see me also here. I can touch, but they will just run. $2 So here you can see silver dollar fish and line by line another fishes are also there. So it's a blood red parrot fish, fully like a blood. These fishes you can see, so beautiful they look. Like they just came from blood inside. It's looking like so beautiful they are. So after turning here, many turnings are there. After coming up, one turning, second turning, then you can see many fishes. Here also you can see aquarium paradise written, and fishes you can see so cute they are really. And see this place here, you can take photo also here because lighting is there. Because in some other places you will not get so much of lighting, as this place is little brighter as compared to other places. So you can see, and this point you can take much more big and suitable photos also. So here you can see a beautiful waterfall. For this you can get down also and see upside aquarium paradise is written there. For that we have to go down. See that people are down also. They are taking photos, and this is the view. Here you can see. There is the waterfall here, that place, and this is one cave. You can see inside full darkness is there. We have to go underground. Now let's experience it, how it is. So we are going down, and here you can see waterfall and all. So here is the shark counter, you can see. So this is that thing. So here you can see small sharks. You can see small baby sharks. They are so beautiful. They look. So this is the black branded Lipo something is there. You can see up that name. So here also these are some type of sharks only. So here you can see the starfish type, different colors of fishes are there. It's so beautiful, this place. It's सुंदर डेकोरेशन नहीं है. So here you can see some Posca fish is there. So very difficult names here. Just enjoy that. Whenever you come, just take a good time and come. The starting hours are 10:30 AM to 8 PM. You can come anytime. So many rainbow colored fishes are there, means everywhere you will get in this aquarium paradise. Fishes and fishes different. It's all beautiful.
और पीछे देखो फिश को दूसरे कलर की फिश है और ये कितनी सारी फिशें हैं नॉन तो ओरियो एल्बिनो मैं बंद করে দিয়েছি কি করছো এখানে মানে কি বড় মাছ এটা see they use that binoculars with that the small fish is looking so huge so here you can get all this thing so here you can see so many varieties here you can see this thing so beautiful
So here you can see carbon something, this fish is black and white type. This is also little much beautiful only. Here you can see this like these fishes are looking like paper and little colorful. Even they gave the colors also.
Ready?
So here you can see the waterfall. That upside we saw and down is this one, and then upside you can see it's fully glass and fishes you can see. So this is the place I was talking about, and really that's so beautiful, and it's underwater. We are going now fully. We are walking and going, so many fishes you can see. So here you can see top of me there are so much varieties of fishes. So this is the main part of it. So just enjoy it. So here are the fishes up. And down also there are fishes, so many fishes. Really this is a paradise for fishes. People should come here once and visit this place. It's so awesome. So see, the waterfall is going down and there are also varieties of fishes. Means you will enjoy a lot after coming to this place. This is really a paradise of fish. Here you can see it's a mermaid type fish. It's little big. Look at its tail. It's so big. It's looking so cute. Also big. Also. Actually, I don't know the name. Maybe mermaid fish or something like that. It's too big only. Its fins are like bird wings. So here I buy the fish food for 100 rupees. So check it out how I am feeding it.
How is it? What is it?
So I buy it for 100 rupees. You can see. So these fishes are so cute. হ্যাঁ হবে হবে না তাহলে কেমনে হবে So here we entered another cave. Here sides also we can see water is there and even fishes are there. Side and up water is there. See, that's so beautifully they made. Fully paradise of fishes. Left, right both you can see, and up also. Photo to let me. See the mermaid, it's so big.
अरे उधर से चलिए चलिए
नहीं इधर से अच्छा देखेंगे उधर से अरे क्या अभी किस कर आप चेंजिंग ऐसे से ऐसे करेगा आप
అమ్మా నీ ఫ్రెండ్ రైట్
You can see the mermaid is so big. Start.
So now I am totally underwater. You can see fully blue. Means up also it's there, down also, and there you can see the dolphin show. If we go out, and just now you saw the mermaid also. And let's proceed. Let's see what's next.